Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use your Lidl Plus app in any of these Lidl Plus store. So if you wish to use the following application in Lidl Plus store or on your main store, then what you'll have to do is, first of all, you need to make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and then you have to go and open up your application or log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, then select the main store. Now, for example, let's see that you're not present in the current location or on the main store, then you could just go ahead and tap on the store, and here you could go ahead and locate the particular store that you're currently on, and then you could go ahead and change it by tapping or toggling the button located right at the bottom, and this particular store has been set as a main store in the current place. And after that, you have to go ahead and tell your name registered with your Lidl Plus app, and when you do that, an SMS will be sent to confirm your identity and your mobile. And when you do that, on the other page you could go ahead and scan the barcode or a QR code, and then you could just accordingly follow the instruction, and you'll be able to use Lidl Plus app in any of these stores. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.